Wait, teachers have three major challenges in school. Number 1, writing lesson notes. Number 2, setting examinations. And number 3, marking examinations. Especially if you are teaching multiple classes, multiple subjects, or even working in more than one school. School management also struggle with two major questions. First, are teachers actually going to class and teaching what they are supposed to teach? And secondly, how do we compute results accurately and generate report cards without spending days on spreadsheets? Then, dear the parents, did my child go to school today? What was taught in school today? What should my child know this term? And how is my child's academic performance? Marksheet was built to solve all those challenges. Now, let's start with the teachers. Writing lesson notes shouldn't take hours. Instead of starting with a blank page every week, your school curriculum is uploaded into Marksheet once. From there, with a single button and in 30 seconds, you can generate a complete lesson note that is aligned with exactly what you're expected to teach, not generic AI content, your curriculum. You can edit it, improve it, or use it exactly the way it is generated. Next is examination setting. Whether you need multiple choice questions that we call objective, or essay questions that we call theory, and the model answers to all these questions or marking schemes, Marksheet generates them directly from your lesson note. You can also write your own questions or import existing ones. You are always in control. Now comes the biggest time saver, marking. Objective questions, well, they are graded instantly, but essay questions are assessed using our AI model and using also the marking rubric that you provided. The AI explains how it arrives at every score, and you review and approve everything before results are finalized. You're still the teacher. Marksheet simply remove the repetitive work. Now let's talk about school management. One of the biggest questions every proprietor asks is, are my teachers actually teaching? Marksheet answers that question with a period tracker. When a teacher finishes a lesson, they log into their dashboard, pick the lesson and mark it as taught. Then the class captain independently, or the assistant class captain, also logs into their dashboard and confirms whether that lesson was actually taught. Two separate confirmations, one from the teacher and one from the student. That means even if you are far away from school, as the owner of the school, or even outside the country, you can say exactly what is happening in every classroom. No assumption, no remorse, just verified classroom activities. Second challenge is result computation. Instead of manually calculating continuous assessment scores, examination scores, grades, positions, broadsheets, and report card, Marksheet does it automatically within a minute using just your school grading system. Fast, accurate, and ready to print. Finally, parents. With Marksheet, parents know when their child attends school. They can monitor attendance directly from their phone. They can also see exactly what each subject is supposed to cover during the term and how much has actually been taught. Because every completed topic is verified, parents don't just hear that learning is happening. They can actually see the progress. Then, when results are released, parents receive them immediately, and every result comes with a unique verification code. So, any school or organization confirm that it is authentic without making phone calls or sending emails. Marksheet isn't just another school management system. It's a platform built around the real challenges teachers, school owners, parents, and students face every day in Nigerian secondary school. This video is just the beginning. What I've explained earlier is just few of the features of Marksheet. In the rest of the series, we will show you exactly how every feature works. So subscribe, follow along, and let's transform the way schools operate. See you in the following videos.